Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivomove Sport, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. So basically, if your watch is paired with the Android phone, you can receive the phone notifications on your watch, and I'm gonna show you how. First, of course, your watch needs to be paired with your phone, like I said before. You can pair the devices by using the Garmin Connect app. Once the devices are paired, we need to check if some permissions are allowed. Basically, we need to allow some permissions for the Garmin Connect application on your phone. So we can press and hold on the Garmin Connect application icon, like that. Then tap on the app info to open this menu. And then tap on permissions. And here we need to allow a couple of permissions. We need to allow the calendar permission, the call log permission, the contacts permission, the phone permission, and lastly the SMS permission. Once you allow all of these permissions, you can close this. Now we need to check if the notification access is allowed for the Garmin Connect app. To do it, open the settings. You can tap on apps and notifications. Tap on the advanced. Then tap on the special app access. Here select notification access. Find the Garmin Connect on the list. As you can see, it says not allowed, so we need to tap on it. Tap on the switch, allow the permission, and now we can go back. Now, once the permissions are allowed and the notification access is enabled, we can open the Garmin Connect application on our phone. Select our Vivomove. From the menu right here, we have the icon of our watch, so let's tap on it to open the device page. On the device page, you should see the alerts option. Tap on it, and here we have the smart notifications. Select it. And we have two categories: general use and during an activity. General use is basically when you're not performing any activity, so your watch is not tracking any activity. You can tap on this option and you can select a couple of things. You can select show all, calls and text only, calls only, and off. So basically, which types of notifications you will get. Select the one you like. Of course, if you select off, the notifications will be disabled. If you select all, it's gonna disable all. If you select calls and text only, it's gonna give you only notifications about calls and text. And if you select calls only, it's gonna only notify you about calls. So select what you like. Next, we have during activity. So basically, if you're tracking some activity, you're performing some activity with your watch, you can again customize which notifications you want to receive. Select the one you like, and then go back. Okay, so now we're done customizing our notification options. My bad. We can close the app, and now I'm gonna write myself a message to this phone, or rather, I'm gonna write my message on Discord, and we should receive it on this phone. So let's open the Discord. As you can see, we have the notification on our phone. If we cap the screen on our watch by double tapping on it, then swipe right on the screen, you should see this menu right here, the message menu. This is basically, here you can check the notifications. And you can tap on it. And as you can see, we have our notification right here. We have two of them, the Discord notification and the calendar notification, calendar access requested. Let's clear them. So basically, to clear the notification, tap on it, then tap on it again, then tap on the bin icon and tap on the check mark to clear it. Let's clear all of them so you can see that we received the notifications on our watch. So for some reason I can't clear this one. Weird. Oh, I managed to do it. Okay. As you can see, we have now no notifications. So let's send another message on the Discord. And here we have it. We received our notification. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications on this watch, or rather for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.